Here's how to print your own 3D molecular models from crystallographic data. In the Cambridge Crystallographic Data Center, you can access tons of crystal structures. Use the search function to look for papers or authors and download your molecule of interest. This is a great resource as it is a free database. You don't need to pay to access a journal, and most of these are also available in a paper's supporting information. Open the CIF file in Mercury. Mercury is a free software that is partnered with the CCDC, and you just need to register your email in order to download it. Here we will keep the molecule of interest and delete the rest. This structure already has its hydrogen removed, but if you need to simplify the molecule, go to Edit Structure, and you can remove all the hydrogens by selecting this. Now, save it as a mol2 file. Now open MolViewer. MolViewer is a free online site used for visualizing molecules. Select Open Files, and select Files, and open the mol2 file that you just saved. As you can see, the bonds are quite thin, and also these double bonds will not print, so let's scale the thickness of the bonds and the ball. Click Ball and Stick, Update 3D Representation, Physical, the 3 dots, and adjust the scale. When finished, click Export Geometry, change the format to STL, and save. Import the STL file to Prusa. And here is the molecule, so it's quite small. Let's scale it. And we'll lay it flat on this face. Now if I zoom in, you can see these lines and dots, which mean that it will not print properly. You can also see that here on this warning sign. So we're going to right click, and Prusa has its own algorithm to repair it. It has finished repairing. The warning icon is gone. And now we can slice. This may take a while. You can see with this, the default support, the grids, this portion of the molecule gets buried. So let us fix that. So I'm going to go to Printer Settings, Support Material, and we'll change the style from grid to organic. Go back to the plater and make sure this isn't out of the build plate. We'll slice it again. So once again, it's saying there's area that is out of the print, which is probably this portion right here. Even though it looks like it's not out of the area, this green border is coming off the build plate. So let's fix that. And now the model is within the build plates. So you can see, compared to the grid earlier, these portions of the molecule is not buried, and these supports will also take less material. This will take, down here, you can see estimated printing time is almost 8 hours. So we'll just export the G code now, and we can take it to her printer. And here's the finished model. Thanks for watching.